The Journey of Trains, From Steam to Steel. Introduction. Welcome to our educational program on trains, where we embark on a journey through the fascinating history, intricate construction, and sophisticated control systems of these marvels of engineering. We'll also explore the profound impact trains have had on society. History of trains. Trains have a storied history that dates back to ancient civilizations. The earliest forms of rail transport were simple wooden tracks used in mines. However, the modern train as we know it began to take shape in the early 19th century with the advent of steam locomotives. George Stephenson's Locomotion No. 1 and the famous Rocket were among the first steam engines to revolutionize transportation, enabling faster and more efficient movement of goods and people. The development of railways spread rapidly across the world. In the United States, the completion of the first transcontinental railroad in 1869 connected the east and west coasts, transforming the nation's economy and settlement patterns. In Europe, the expansion of rail networks facilitated industrial growth and urbanization. The introduction of electric trains in the late 19th and early 20th centuries marked another significant milestone, leading to the development of high-speed rail systems like Japan's Shinkansen and France's TGV. Construction of trains. Building a train is a complex process that involves several key components. Locomotive, the heart of the train, which provides the power needed to move. Modern locomotives can be powered by diesel, electricity, or even hydrogen fuel cells. The construction of a locomotive involves assembling the engine, transmission, and control systems, as well as the exterior body. Bogies. These are the wheeled structures that support the train cars and allow them to move smoothly along the tracks. Bogies are equipped with suspension systems to absorb shocks and ensure a comfortable ride. They also house the braking systems and sometimes the motors in the case of electric trains. Train cars. These can be passenger coaches, freight wagons, or specialized cars like tankers or refrigerated units. Each type of car is designed for specific purposes and built to withstand the rigors of rail travel. The construction of train cars involves creating a sturdy frame, installing seating or cargo spaces, and adding safety features like emergency brakes and lighting. Tracks. Made of steel rails and wooden or concrete sleepers, tracks are meticulously laid and maintained to ensure safe and efficient travel. The construction of railway tracks involves surveying the land, laying the foundation, and installing the rails and sleepers. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent wear and tear and ensure the safety of the trains. Control systems. Trains are controlled through a combination of manual and automated systems. Train dispatchers play a crucial role in scheduling and routing trains to prevent collisions and ensure timely arrivals. Modern trains are equipped with advanced signaling systems, GPS, and automated braking systems that enhance safety and efficiency. Signaling systems. These systems use signals placed along the tracks to communicate with train drivers, indicating when to stop, go, or slow down. Modern signaling systems are often automated and use sensors to detect the presence of trains on the tracks. GPS and communication systems. GPS technology allows train operators to track the exact location of trains in real time. Communication systems enable constant contact between train drivers, dispatchers, and control centers, ensuring smooth and coordinated operations. Automated braking systems. These systems automatically apply the brakes if a train exceeds the speed limit or if there is an obstacle on the tracks. This enhances safety by reducing the risk of accidents caused by human error. Impact on society. The impact of trains on society has been profound and far-reaching. Economic growth. Trains have been instrumental in the Industrial Revolution, enabling the mass transport of raw materials and finished goods, thus fueling economic growth. Railways have also facilitated trade by connecting remote regions with major markets. Urbanization. The development of rail networks has facilitated the growth of cities by making commuting more accessible. Suburban railways have allowed people to live farther from their workplaces, leading to the expansion of urban areas. Social connectivity. Trains have brought people closer, making travel affordable and accessible to a broader population. They have enabled cultural exchange and tourism, allowing people to explore new places and meet new people. Environmental impact. While traditional steam and diesel trains have had environmental drawbacks, modern electric and hydrogen-powered trains offer more sustainable alternatives. Rail transport is generally more energy efficient and produces fewer emissions compared to road and air transport. Conclusion. Trains have come a long way from their humble beginnings, evolving into sophisticated machines that continue to shape our world. As we look to the future, innovations in rail technology promise to make trains even more efficient, sustainable, and integral to our daily lives. Here are some intriguing facts about trains. Longest train journey. The Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia holds the record for the longest train journey. It spans approximately 9,289 kilometers, 5,772 miles, from Moscow to Vladivostok, taking about a week to complete. Fastest train. The Shanghai Maglev in China is the fastest commercial train in the world, reaching speeds of up to 431 kilometers per hour, 267 miles per hour. It uses magnetic levitation technology to glide above the tracks. Oldest operational train. The Talyllyn Railway in Wales, UK, is the world's oldest operational narrow-gauge railway. It has been running continuously since 1865. Longest train. The longest freight train ever recorded was in Australia. It was over 7 kilometers, 4.35 miles, long and consisted of 682 wagons pulled by 8 locomotives. First underground railway. The London Underground, also known as the Tube, was the world's first underground railway. It opened in 1863 and has since become an iconic part of London's transport system. Luxury on rails. The Orient Express, which ran from Paris to Istanbul, was famous for its luxury and opulence. It inspired numerous books and movies, including Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. Eco-friendly transport. Trains are one of the most environmentally friendly modes of transport. Modern electric trains produce significantly lower emissions compared to cars and airplanes. Innovative designs. Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet trains, are known for their sleek design and punctuality. They have a reputation for being incredibly safe, with no passenger fatalities due to accidents since they began operation in 1964. Mountain marvels. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway in India, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its narrow-gauge tracks and stunning mountain views. It climbs from the plains to the town of Darjeeling, offering a unique travel experience. Record-breaking tunnels. The Gotthard Base Tunnel in Switzerland is the world's longest and deepest railway tunnel. It stretches 57.1 kilometers, 35.5 miles, through the Swiss Alps, providing a faster and more efficient route for freight and passenger trains. Trains have truly transformed the way we travel and transport goods, making them an integral part of our global infrastructure.